Look at the favor of Allah upon us. I come from a landlocked country, so you have to excuse me when I become a child once I see a good jet ski. Landlocked. We're not used to it. But alhamdulillah, the water was calm, amazing. And I'm thinking many of us have so much negative going on in our lives, but we forget that in order to come out of that negativity, in order to be uplifted from the rut, in order to be empowered from that which is so lowering, we need to ponder over the greatness of Allah by appreciating His creation. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. Amazing verse, absolutely superb, so beautiful. Allah tells you that the people who have sound intellect, if you are sharp, if you consider yourself intelligent, then Allah's addressing you with this verse. If you consider yourself a person with a top brain, you would be someone who ponders over the greatness of Allah by pondering over His creation, what He made. I see a beautiful, I call it a ship, they call it a ferry, they might call it a yacht, whatever it is. But I know it's not just a simple boat. We sat in a boat the other day, but this here, look at it, mashallah, tabarakallah. Look around you. Why am I saying this? By thinking and pondering over the favor of Allah, you realize He has created everything in due measure. Absolutely astounding. Day and night is such that you and I know the exact moment the sun is going to go down, and we will know the moment the sun went down in 1930 on a certain date, and we will know the sunrise and when the zenith happens, and we will know exactly what degree, what angle everything is. Does it go off one day? It will one day in the future when Allah decides. But if you look at how amazing and impressive the creation of Allah is, it should lead you to realize how insignificant you and I are. It should lead you to realize how great the Creator is. That is Allah, Rabbul Izzati wal Jalal.